Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Happy to be back after a long vacation. I hope you guys are all doing well. So there's no better way to come back than with these delicious and easy to make chicken thighs skewers. A recipe that will give you a very delicious dinner, quick and easy. So friends, this is a very easy recipe that calls for boneless and skinless chicken thighs, a bunch of spices, red and green bell pepper, a red onion, and ginger and garlic paste. So for these chicken thighs, all I need to do is just cut them into about an inch or so, just about this size. And then I'll put them back into the bowl and then just cut the rest, so the same way. So into the bowl with our cut chicken thighs, add 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, a teaspoon of garam masala, teaspoon chili powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of coriander, teaspoon cumin, a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add zest of 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half and add some of this juice. Go in and mix this. Set this aside to marinate for about half an hour. So as the chicken marinates, I have about 6 or 7 skewers. Soak them in water. This will help them not to burn when they go into the oven. So all I need to do with these vegetables, 1 red bell pepper and a green one, together with this large onion, is just to cut them into some nice chunks. So all I need to do is just take out the core. Cut them into about an inch or so cubes, just about. Cut it in half. Always take out the sticker. Do the same thing with the green one. And cut this the same way. I'll cut this onion in half. 1 half. Then all I need with this one is just to cut it also into about an inch or so. Just like so. I'm going to separate and leave just the good part that is easy to work with. So next I have a small baking tin here. I'm going to line it with some aluminum foil. This is definitely optional. So to start the skewering, I'm going to take 1 piece of the chicken and then just fold it, push it into the skewer. I'll get a piece of the green pepper, 1 piece onion, a piece of the red bell pepper, get another piece of the chicken. Repeat the process, an onion, pepper, red, chicken, and keep doing this until all the chicken is done. Remember, this will go into our preheated oven that is set on broiler. If your oven doesn't have a broiler setting, you can set it to the highest temp that you can attain. This looks like a good size for me, the last piece of the chicken. These skewers are long enough to go across this pan, and then I'm going to continue making these skewers until I'm done. Boom, there you go. Our skewers are all done. So into the hot broil oven. This will take about 20 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, our skewers have nicely charred on one side. Just flip them and then have them char on the other side. Once that happens, I will lower the oven to 425 and finish cooking. So I'm all done with cleanup here. The next thing I need to do is just a simple salad to go with our skewers. I have half a cucumber, a tomato, a jalapeno, some cilantro. These are the red onions that were left over from our skewering. And then I have a bunch of watercress. With the watercress all clean, I need to pull the soft and tender leaves. This will make a very delicious and crunchy salad. This stuff used to grow by the rivers when I was growing up years ago in Kiseri and Ngong. You can definitely use arugula if you have, or any other kind of green if you prefer a salad. This is a good way to teach us to diversify on things that are edible and delicious. I'll get some of this cilantro. Just also get the tender leaves. These stems are perfect for cooking. So next I have a leftover cucumber here from a previous use. I'll scoop out some of these excess seeds. And then just cut this into half moons. They go into the bowl with the watercress and the cilantro. A ripe tomato. Just cut it into some chunks into the bowls also. If you like heat, like I do, I'll add some jalapeno. Just cut it into bias. And then I'm going to take these leftover onions and just then cut these. Add them into the bowl and our salad is complete. Very easy. It's very simple, delicious and healthy. So into this bowl, squeeze a half a lemon, about a tablespoon or so of your good olive oil. We're just making a simple vinaigrette here. Salt, black pepper. And then all you want to do here is just toast this and you get this very colorful salad. I'll set it aside. So just grab some of this salad, the watercress, the tomatoes, cucumbers. 2 or 3 of these will do, just like so. One on top. Just drizzle this with some of this beautiful olive oil. Try this salad. Take a piece of the chicken here. Some of the salad. So friends, there you have it, our easy to make chicken skewers dinner. I used chicken thighs, some red bell peppers, green peppers, some onions, and then I topped it with a salad. It makes a very light dinner. You can serve this over rice, over any side of your choice, and you got yourself a delicious dinner that you and your family will definitely enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this one. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Just remember, subscribe, comment, and like my videos.